Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. On today, our song is Lord You Are Good, and that is by Todd Galberth. We're in the key of B flat, and this song was requested by Cynthia. Thank you so much, Cynthia, for giving us an awesome song to work on today. Thank you. And to kick things off, let me show you what I'm working with on today. Yep, I got my original taste Coca-Cola. I'm going to crack that open in a little bit. But meanwhile, I want you to head to your favorite refrigerator, open it up, grab your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, sit down at it, and learn with me, your favorite instructor in the whole wide world, AK. You know, many people have asked me, how can we donate to you? And I want to give you the chance right now to just hit that thanks button. The thanks button right there. Bam, I see you just hit it. That thanks button, give me a donation. Guys, I really appreciate it. All right, we're in the key of B flat. That's B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we have Todd Galberth in the building. He's warming up. Let's just stretch our hands out, wiggle them. I think we're ready. Let's invite and welcome Todd Galberth with Lord You Are Good. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So, you know, the song start off with, Lord, you are good. You've been so good. Lord, you are good. You've been better than good. Let me just give you that little part. Let me give you that part. So we're on a 1. We're playing a regular B flat. We're adding this 2, which is our C. And we're going to our 2. And we're playing this nice sus chord. This is a E flat 2 chord. We're going to our 3. Going right back to the very first chord. That's a B flat 2 chord on the 3. You've been better than good, right? So we're on the 4 and we're playing this nice chord. This is a gospel chord here. This is a G flat 7 flat 5 chord. All right, we're doing a little turnaround. That's I can't praise you enough. So what we're doing is we're on a 5. We're playing a E flat 7 chord. We're going to our 4 and we're playing this F dominant 7 chord. Praise you. We're on the 3. We're playing a B flat major chord with the added 2. You know I love my added 2, right? I owe you my life. We're playing that same G flat 7 flat 5 chord. I can't praise you enough. We're on the 6. We're playing a B flat 2 chord. Even if I try. So we're doing a nice little motif here. We're on the 7 flat. We're going to our 6 flat. Going to our 5. And now we're going to our 4. Then we're going to we're on a 5. And we're playing a B flat 2 chord. So good. And that's an E flat chord on the 5. To me. All right, let me give you that. We're on the 4. We're playing an E flat major chord. Going to our 5, F chord. Going to our 6. That's an E flat major chord. Going to our 7, regular F chord. Now we're going to our 1. And that's our B flat major chord. And then we're doing this turnaround. Really big chord here, but let me give it to you. That's a G, B flat, C, E flat, and an F. In my left hand, I got my 5, and I have my 4. And all together, it will sound like that. So, guys, if that's all I gave you, that's the whole song. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We're not gonna stop there. We're gonna give you more. All right, let me give you. I can't praise you enough. This is a nice little turnaround. I'm playing this F minor 7 chord, and then I'm hitting my G chord, and then I'm playing this big chord here. And that's a 1 in the bass, 5, 7 flat, and then I'm going with a regular G major chord. So all together. I can't praise you enough. That's what that would sound like. I owe you my life. Let me give you that little. What I'm doing is I'm playing a 4 and a 6 flat in my left hand, and I'm just playing a regular F minor chord, resolving with this chord right here. That's like a C diminished right there. All right, so that's cool. That's something we could add, right? A couple other things that you could do is when you go. Let me give you this nice little turnaround. Let me give you that. So what I'm doing is I'm on a 7 flat, and then I'm going to my 6 flat. When I get to my 6 flat, I'm kind of spelling out this chord right here. And then we're going to our 5. Then I'm spelling out that chord in my left hand. And then we get to our 4. And then I'm spelling out this chord in my left hand. When I say spell out, I mean I'm hitting it individually. And then we have our chord, right? So again, as all right, guys, that's the whole song. I hope this was able to help you out. All right. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the day I became the music police. I remember my 10th birthday. We had a big gathering at our house with aunts, uncles, and cousins. My mom had an old record player that played vinyl. And one rule in our house was that only Christian music was allowed. I knew this well because anytime I played boogie woogie on the piano, I'd get reprimanded for it. At some point during the party, one of my aunts put a record on that wasn't Christian music and started dancing like she was at a full-blown concert. I was not having it. I marched over to the record player like a tiny security guard, slammed it off, and I announced, "My mama don't want that music in this house," like I was the DJ of holiness. I learned that the rules we learn at home help us know right from wrong. It also shows that what we believe can make us stand up for something, even when others don't. Most of all, it reminds us that listening to what our parents teach us helps us make good decisions. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Thank you so much for coming in and learning with me. Thank you again, Cynthia, for that awesome song that we learned on today. And guys, you know what? I want you to continue to share this information, vital, important information with your friends, your loved ones, your musician buddies, anyone that you know that want to learn how to play the piano. Guys, we have a Facebook page that is Numerical Melodies on Facebook. Of course, that's me playing all of the songs that I love to hear and play. And we have a section where you can request a song to me and I can play that song for you. And that is just called Viewers Request. Guys, again, that is Facebook Numerical Melodies and Viewers Request. Check it out. And we have a bell. I would love it if you could hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yes, that subscribe button. You know what? Some people tell me it takes 3 seconds. I believe it takes 3 seconds. I want you to hit it in 3 seconds. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it. And you just hit the bell. Thank you so much. You have just made my day. You're not just playing the music. You know that. You are the music. This is AK signing off.